Have you heard that a friend or a colleague has got some information in their calendar that actually it'd be really nice to always have access to? Well, you can request it. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer trainer here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life just that little bit easier. So here I am in my Google Calendar, and what I'm going to do is move my video out of the way because the bit that I want to go to is here at the bottom where it says other calendars. So that's on the task pane on the left hand side, and the last section are the calendars. Click on the plus sign and you can see we've got create new calendar, but the one at the top is subscribe to calendar. From there, all I need to do is select it. I need to choose who it is that I want to add their calendar to. So as you can see, I'm looking for an email address. I simply select it. I can now type in a message, so please can I have access to your calendar or something along those lines. And although it says send an invitation, it's actually asking if they will share it with me. Really quick and easy. Fingers crossed they'll actually say yes. If you like this quick tip, please do give the video a thumbs up. It really does help with my channel. And if you want to be notified of new videos as they're published, remember to subscribe and click that bell for notifications. I will see you next time.